In today's video, we're breaking down today's big news on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency trading soon coming to your Robinhood app. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric of Investing Apps TV. And before we cover today's big news on Robinhood, I just want to hear your guys' thoughts on today's big news about Bitcoin coming to Robinhood next month. Let me know down below in the comments, do you guys like this news? Do you like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading coming to the Robinhood app, or do you not like it? I'm really interested to hear your guys' take. So with that being said, we're now going to hop into today's big news on Robinhood Crypto. Alright guys, so as you may have heard, there was some big news today on Robinhood called Robinhood Crypto. They're going to be making their own cryptocurrency platform coming soon to the app. They expect it to come this February, so within a couple weeks, hopefully. Now there is a waiting list, and I'll show you how to get on that list right now in just a bit. But if you check their Facebook page, they have all the info there. You can always go to their Facebook page at Robinhood app. You'll see they have the breaking news. It was actually released this morning when I was at work. I saw it. I couldn't wait to get home, make a video to share with you guys. This is really big news, guys. So if you click on the link there on the Facebook page, it shows you introducing Robinhood Crypto, invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies commission free on the Robinhood platform 24/7. Don't sleep. Get early access here at crypto.robinhood.com. So let's click that there. This is really huge. Commission free cryptocurrency trading. As you can see, this is the homepage for Robinhood's cryptocurrency platform. It says don't sleep, invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Again, 24/7 and commission free. Get early access here. You can click on that right there. But basically on this page here, it's going to show you that you can have everything in one place now. When this arrives on Robinhood next month, you're going to be able to store your cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETFs, and options are all now available side by side, easily accessible in the Robinhood app. So it's really easy to manage all your investments, I think. Again, instant access to funds when you deposit or sell stocks to buy cryptocurrencies. So that's also really cool. And as you know, it's secure and trusted. Robinhood has been around for years now, have never had a problem with them. And on the bottom of this, it just shows you get early access. Currently, there are over 270,000 people in line. Luckily, when I joined this morning, when I got the notification on Facebook, I saw that there were only about 80 people in line. So I got in really early. I think I was like one of the first 400 by the time I filled out the early access. All you have to do really is type in your email address here and click on Get Early Access. So you want to put in your email address. So you want to put your email address associated with your Robinhood account right there, and then click on Get Early Access. It's that simple. They sent me an email confirmation right away that I'm now on the waiting list. So that's really awesome to hear. And again, it's expected to come sometime in early February, or at least in February, they said. So that's pretty much all you see on the website platform here is just basically a launch page that it's coming soon. But if you want to know how to access this in your app, I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's hop on over to the app right now. So here we are now inside the Robinhood app. And if you haven't gotten this yet, you may want to refresh your app or update your app. There was an update today. And when you update your app, you're going to see this right here on the little news card. It's going to say, don't sleep, get Robinhood Crypto. You can click that right there. It's going to show you, you can actually, while you can't buy and sell yet, you can currently track the live prices of Bitcoin on Robinhood. So here it does show you as it is live. You can click on that. You could see it adjusting live. That's really awesome. Again, you could also see how the price has fluctuated over the past 24 hours, over the past week, over the past month, over the past year, and over the past 5 years. So this is really cool. I really love this. It has a really nice design to it as well. But if you haven't joined the list yet, definitely join as soon as possible so you can get on that waiting list, so you can get your chance to join Robinhood Crypto before the waiting list gets too long. If you notice on the top right here, they do have a little plus sign. You can click plus there, and that's going to now watch Bitcoin. If you want to unwatch Bitcoin, you can click the minus there, and it says stopped watching Bitcoin. But I actually want to watch it, so I'm going to click the plus there, and it says now watching Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool. I noticed back on the homepage of Robinhood in the little search button, you can search pretty much a couple different cryptocurrencies currently. So I could type in like Ethereum, and it opens up the Ethereum price charts as well. Again, trading live in real time. Not yet on Robinhood, but soon. So also, if you type in cryptocurrencies, actually, the very top option will show you cryptocurrencies show all. If you click that, it'll show you these are the cryptocurrencies available on Robinhood. So when it does come next month, you're going to have access to buying and selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bcash, Litecoin, and all these other ones down here. So currently, it looks like they have 16 cryptocurrencies planned for their launch date in February. That's really awesome. And who knows, they might add more going forward as well. But this is really huge news, guys, because again, this is going to be commission-free buying and selling of cryptocurrency. So no other exchange currently offers that except maybe GDAX, but we'll see how it plays out in Robinhood. I'm super excited. You can always click on this Learn More button right here, and it breaks down basically, you can read this more on your own, guys, but it basically introduces you to Robinhood Crypto. What are cryptocurrencies? If you're new to cryptocurrencies, feel free to check out this little article right here. Again, you can find it inside your Robinhood app. It tells you which cryptocurrencies does Robinhood offer. Starting in February, it's going to allow you to buy and sell these 16 different cryptocurrencies currently. And it does say we also plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies through Robinhood Crypto. So that's cool. They do have that plan for the future as well. And it shows when can I invest in crypto on Robinhood. You can invest 24/7 on Robinhood Crypto. So that's really awesome. Just like other cryptocurrency exchanges, you want to have 24/7 access because in the world of cryptocurrency and the world of Bitcoin, it never sleeps. It's open 24/7, 365 days a year. So it says, when will I get access to Robinhood Crypto? And it will be available to our first group of customers in February on a state-by-state basis. And I'll cover that in just a second, guys, because currently when it launches, it's only going to be open to 5 states. So they do plan to open up to more states from what I heard in the coming months, but during their launch month in February, it's only available to 5 states. And those current 5 states, Robinhood Crypto will initially be available to customers in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire. Again, we plan to add support for more states soon. So don't worry, guys, if you're not one of those 5 states. Luckily, I am. But if you're not one of those top 5 states, of those first 5 states, don't worry. They will invite you guys soon enough. So hang in there. But definitely, I would recommend getting on the wait list, even if it's not one of your 5 states, just so you're earlier on the list than later. Again, in this little help guide, it does say crypto on Robinhood. What's the story behind crypto on Robinhood? You could read that. It really just talks about how the founders of Robinhood are really interested in cryptocurrency and its technology going forward. So it's really inspiring to see the founders of Robinhood really interested in cryptocurrency. That's huge news for the space because Robinhood is a huge platform reaching many millennials and many people for investing. So this is really awesome. And basically, lastly, it shows you how does it work. So how does Robinhood Crypto store coins? And it basically explains cryptocurrencies purchased on the Robinhood platform are stored in a mix of hot, online, and cold, offline storage. We use cutting-edge security measures that are both process and technologically driven to secure your coins. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to look. You guys can read this more again if you want to read more into the details on how they plan to store. So we'll have to see how this plays out when it comes to how they plan to store cryptocurrency, but I do hope they have the ability for us to withdraw our cryptocurrency to a hardware wallet of ours, such as the Trezor or the Ledger Nano S, or even another mobile wallet like our Coinbase wallet. Oh, it does actually, let's read this here, guys. It does say, how can I cash out? You can cash out from Robinhood Crypto the same way you would with stocks in your Robinhood accounts. Once you sell your coins, you can withdraw that amount in US dollars from your Robinhood Crypto account into your bank. And that's free and always will be. All right, this is what I wanted to read. Can I withdraw my coins? Yes. To get started with this process, you'll need to send additional verification to customer support, such as bank statements or a government-issued ID. Can I transfer my existing coins into Robinhood? It says at this time we don't allow transferring your existing crypto into Robinhood Crypto. But it says they're currently building specific anti-money laundering measures on their platform. So maybe they might update this in the future. All right, and in case you guys wondering, lastly, they do say, do I have to buy a full coin? No, you can buy any amount of Bitcoin over 10 cents US dollar and any amount of Ethereum over 1 cent US dollar. So just like most cryptocurrency exchanges, all cryptocurrency exchanges, you never have to buy a full Bitcoin, guys. So don't be overwhelmed by the price of Bitcoin, currently over 11,000 right now. Don't worry about that because you can always buy just a fractional piece. So that pretty much sums up all about Robinhood Crypto. Again, today is just the day this news was released, so there's really not much else to say on it. But overall, guys, this is really, really interesting stuff. Again, if you haven't signed up on the waiting list, go into your Robinhood app. It should be right there where it says Get Robinhood Crypto. Click on that and be sure to join the waiting list so you guys can be in line for Robinhood Crypto as well. So overall, guys, I'm super excited. I'm super pumped about today's big news on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading coming to Robinhood next month. I think it's great for the cryptocurrency space to have another huge competitor in terms of cryptocurrency exchanges, this could really be a viable option for you and for me because of their commission-free trading, both to buy and to sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. But again, guys, let me know your take down below in the comments. Let's talk about it. Do you guys love this? Do you guys love the news? There are some people that don't like the news because they feel Robinhood should only be sticking to stocks. But again, I'm super pumped about this news myself. And if you guys would like to see some in-depth tutorials on how to use Robinhood Crypto, I'm definitely going to be making some tutorial videos on how to do that once I get the crypto platform on my Robinhood app. So be sure to stay tuned for that as well. And lastly, guys, if you have any questions about Robinhood Crypto, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments, and I'm always happy to connect with you guys down there. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next episode of Investing Apps TV.